In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Hailuo AI image and video maker app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you are unable, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing, make sure you have turned on your data or Wi-Fi before you download and install Hailuo AI from Google Play Store. However, if the internet is not the issue, then you need to make sure that you go to Google Play Store and you are logged in with your Gmail account before you search and install the app. However, if that's not the issue, then tap on your profile icon here, and from this, scroll down to Settings, and under Settings, go to Network Preference. Under Network Preference, look for this option called App Download Preference, and choose the first option, which is over any network. Here, you want to make sure that you choose this option to be able to install or download your apps via any network that you are connected to. Save the changes by typing on OK, then turn on your data or connect to your Wi-Fi before you can install the app. In most cases, this should fix your problem. However, if you still have a challenge, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by just long pressing on it and then access its app info option. So if you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. If I go to storage, you can see data stored by this app, and I'm interested in this cache data. So you can see we have over 5 MBs of cache data stored by Play Store. So when cache data accumulates on your Play Store, this might hamper the performance of Play Store, and thus you might be unable to install or download apps. To fix this, tap on clear data down below here and choose the last option, clear cache, and finally OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and now head back to Play Store, log in before you search for your app. So I'll search for Hailuo AI, and here's my app. If I run my search, I'll try to install it and see if the problem has been fixed. So if I tap on install, now you can see I'm able to install this AI app. However, if you still have an issue at this point, then it means that your phone might not have free space. You need to free up your space before you try this. For that, clear up some images or even photos or apps that you no longer need. Then clear your trash or run a smart scan before you can download and install Hailuo AI. Now, by using any of these methods, now everything should be okay. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.